So in this tutorial, I wanted to go through a SEO digital listing expert that I created in ChatGPT. It is free. I will link it down below for you guys. And I know I have a lot of members in the Skool community that are starting in Etsy or struggling with Etsy, and this is not perfect. You're still going to have to make tweaks, but with all of that being said, it is a good starting point for you. I have tried to program it to where it will not repeat things too many times. I have noticed that the tags repeat a little bit too much with the PNG, but I will show you guys. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial. And what I do is sometimes I will just upload an image. So let me just add a photo here. And let's say, oh, I don't want to do the actual clip art. Hold on. Let me do, so this is my watermarked design and it has PNG on it. This is what I use mainly for my Etsy shop. And then it will go ahead and generate a title, a description. I have had it load in. You guys will have to edit this depending on what your listing is. Some just different things right here, some check marks for things that you would normally have for your digital designs. And then I take out this part here. I don't like that. I feel like it's a little too like keyword stuffy. So this is where it comes into the fact that you guys are gonna have to change it a little bit, but it gives you different, categories, different attributes that you could put into it. And then what I tend to do after I do the first generation, so the title looks pretty good. It doesn't really repeat like I've asked it not to do. The problem that I have seen is with tags. So then I'll go down here and I'll just put, the tags are repeating. Well, let me see, because I think I may have fixed that then, because I don't see it. Let's see, football PNG, sports mom, game day design, helmet clip art, bow graphic, team spirit, sublimation, football star, blue mascot, sporty artwork, digital bio, t-shirt design, fan PNG. Okay, so some of those are fine. I would probably swap fan PNG for like spirit wear PNG. Instead of doing a bow graphic, I would probably do a coquette bow or a preppy bow. For the t-shirt design, you could do, graphic t-shirt design, that kind of thing. So there's ways that you can swap this up to where like it's not technically a sports mom, but it's probably targeting a sports mom because that's more than likely who would purchase this is the mom would be purchasing either for herself or for maybe brothers, maybe for sister. And then I have options for this for brother that don't have the bow. So that is just a quick tutorial on how you guys can use this. And then if depending on what you're doing, so it will change some of this up. If it's not a PNG design, maybe it's a stamp set or frames that you can use in Canva or something like that, then you would just give it that input and then it'll go ahead and make the changes. And like I said, I don't really do the perfect for portion, but that is a good information for you guys to swap out. If you need to swap some, like see team spirit, if you want to swap those out in either the title or the tags, that's giving you a few more different options there. So I really hope that this helped. And like I said, I'll link the link for this ChatGPT like plugin GPT down below because it's not paid or anything like that. It's just for somebody to have a better start. If you don't know how to list and do, it's better to have something to get you started than you guys not list. So that was the biggest thing is I just wanted to make something as quick as I could and get it up as quick as I could so that you guys can use it to get started.